that was great. What was that?
Hi, this is Dr. Scott Hoar, and this week's Treatment Tuesday is going to be with Amanda Whitney. Amanda, why don't you tell us, what do you got going on?
I have some stiffness in my neck and my shoulder, and it's starting to affect just how I do my work.
So I'm going to adjust that segment right here.
Okay.
Good.
Oh, that was easier than I thought.
All right, drop. Good.
That was better than I thought, too.
Yeah. So we're going to do another adjustment. This one is going to be a little bit more like armpit and rib cage and shoulder girdle stuff. Deep breath. Breathe on it. Good.
Oh, that was great. What was that?
So that's our treatment today. Amanda, what was that like?
I mean, I felt immediately better after each different thing that you did.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button.